Namaste, salam, sat sri akal and welcome to Vlog everyone. This is Akshay Singh on my channel. I am Valmiki. बहुत दिनों से बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स पे हम डेवलपमेंट कर रहे हैं. Inscape Dreams as a brand are producing products for many motorcycles. We are continuously working on Himalayan nowadays. So this is a BS4 Himalayan for which we have made a windshield and a headlight cover. So this is the windshield for Himalayan. We call it as Type 2. We have made Type 1 also with a different mount. There is already a video available for that. And this is a headlight cover. So usually people prefer putting grills, but in grills during monsoon, the slush go inside and it's hard to clean. Keeping that in mind, we have developed these two products. Let me install this product on this bike and then I'll show you how exactly it looks like. As you can see, the product is installed on the bike. So this is the Type 2 windshield for Himalayan. It is fixed on two brackets that I'll show you from behind. This is the headlight cover for Himalayan. So even when your light is on, okay, there is a space between so that heat don't come on that. And both the products are made up of polycarbonate. The structure is elegantly designed. There is a space given on the windshield for air to pass on so that it doesn't come completely on the windshield and the rider gets air to breathe during ride. This is a closer look for the windshield. It has a branding of Inscape Dreams on it. Inscape Dreams are making products for more bikes. So this is for Himalayan BS4 and also available for BS6. So close look for your headlight cover. This is the space given in between to eliminate the heat. These are the pores on this to take the air in so that it keeps your headlight cool on a longer run. Let me take you to the windshield. This is the windshield. This is the support which is given. So there is a bracket. If I take you from the screen side, so this is a bracket which is given for the support. So it is too steady. Actual view how it is coming. I'll share the picture on my Instagram page. You can follow me on Instagram also. And this is how your bike will look. As you can see it, this is a taller windscreen for Himalayan. The stock windscreen is like somewhere here. So this is 3 inch taller than the stock windscreen what the company is providing. This is the model available for BS4 as well as BS6. There are certain changes. Now I'm on a riding position. This is not coming on my eye line. When I'm riding faster, I can even see through the windshield. So when I start my bike, if I just show you when I start my bike, this is the headlight look. This is the headlight look which you are getting. So the light spread is going through as it is transparent. No heat will come. There are holes made on this to give the cooling from the outside. While you are riding, this won't heat up and it will give sufficient amount of air, because if there is something as a barrier to the headlight, so if air doesn't go on, then there could be a possibility that the glass may heat up more. So keeping that in mind, we have small pores on the headlight cover. I'll take you for a short spin and then I'll tell you more about the product. This is the bike. There is no vibration sound in the bike anywhere, and it is not even vibrating or waving anything because it is completely fixed on a strong metal base, and even the headlight cover is fixed on a metal base. So let's go for a spin and see the performance. We are on highway. This will be a short test for the product. We got a dry patch. That's a good thing. Nothing at 80. Nothing at 100. I believe I can't go above this now. Keeping the weather condition in mind, it started raining. So I'm above 100 now. Now let's get back. Tell me how you like the product. Let's come on the major part where people actually think more. It's about the costing of the product. So this is a type 2 windshield which is for 2000 rupees. This is a headlight cover which is for 1200 rupees. We do shipping all across India. The buying link of the product is given in the description. Kindly check that. If you like the product, you can go ahead and order it. The links are open. You can do your pre-order. We will be giving this product on first come first serve basis. Please like this video, comment and share this video. And this is for me. This is Akshay Singh signing off from I Am Valmiki.